Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to be checking out the Pet Brush Roll and seeing if it's tangle free over 7 days. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Now don't forget, everything I show in this video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out. Right, so if you remember in a previous video, I did a review on the Pet Brush Roll. Now I was having a look on whether it was tangle free, and I showed you the benefits of it and how you've got that little groove down the side. And then I did an actual sand test, and I will put our guard above linking to that at the end of this video. And you can see that the difference between using a standard brush roll and the Pet Brush Roll, what the agitation was and what difference it picked up sand wise. Again, there will be an iCard above linking to that video at the end of this video. Now in today's video, what we're going to be doing, as I said in that previous video, I said I would run it for 7 days. So what I've done is I've run the brush roll for 7 days to see if it's tangle free and how much it actually gets tangled. Now bearing in mind I've got a German Shepherd and I've got a partner with long hair, so we'll see how it goes. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Right, so on my right we've got the Avalier 2 and on my left we've got the Avalier 1. Now what I've done is I've got a brand new oblique brush roll, as you've seen in the video before I've compared them. Brand new oblique brush roll in the Avalier 1, and I've got the brand new Pet Brush Roll in the Avalier 2. So I've run these for 7 days, so I've run this last week and I've run this this week. Just to see how good they are and whether they get entangled and how much entangled they get. Now bear in mind, as I've said previously, I've got a long haired German Shepherd and she's molting considerably, and I've got a partner with long hair. So if there's any hair pick up, it's going to get wrapped around that brush roll no matter what you do. I'm pretty sure there's going to be something there because you've got those little grooves to cut it off, and there's definitely going to be something around the oblique brush roll. As we know, they do tangle if you don't clean them weekly. What we'll do is jump straight in. I'll take the heads off them so you'll know which is which. The Avalier 2 will have the black front and the Avalier 1 will have the silver front, and we'll see what the difference is and whether they are more entangled than the other. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so what we've got is the Avalier 1 with the oblique brush roll and the Avalier 2 with the Pet Brush Roll. So what we'll do is take the Avalier 1 out first. Now this is only 7 days, and this is why I suggest that you do clean your brush roll weekly. Okay, just take that off, pull that out, and there is quite a substantial amount of hair there. Okay, so you can see all the hair that's wrapped around here. So just pull all this off. We've got quite a lot. Now I have picked these up in the past, and you've probably seen the Sentria 2 I picked up. You couldn't even see the brushes. Whoever had it before hadn't even cleaned the brush roll, let alone a week, I'd say, let alone in 3 years. It was horrendous. But you can see the amount of hair that actually gets wrapped around these, and that's literally 7 days. Okay, so that's quite a bit, just over a week. Now, I could cut this all off with a Stanley knife, or I could use a pair of scissors, but I can't see any dog hair, so that's one bonus. It's mainly just fibre and hair. I mean, normally as well you get a bit around there, there's nothing around there, and take that off as well. So this is what you should be doing weekly anyway. Pull that off, nothing around there. So that now is pretty clean. So what we've got is all that there. Now what I might do is I'll probably wait and see what we've got, but we've got all that hair literally there. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll get the pet brush roll and take that out and see what we've got around this one. So I can see hair and I can see fibres already. Now this doesn't look as bad. Like I said, this is 7 days. So we've got some hair. Now there is that little line there, you come on scissors along. I'll just pull it off. There. A bit of string. Pull that off, but it's obviously come off the carpet. Now what I did notice with this brush roll, and I'm going to do another demonstration with it, with the dog hair, but what I did notice that if you're doing the wall carpet, then obviously where you'd normally just go over with one pass on the Kirby to pick up the dog hair, you get the odd dog hair that's left around, so it is missing some, so you do have to go over it twice, but you'd normally go over the area with your Kirby twice anyway, 9 times out of 10. So what we've got is all that there, but you can see if I put it in my hand, put that in my hand, and you can see the difference. So that is the oblique brush roll and that is a pet brush roll, so it doesn't tangle as much as you can see. Human hair, yes, we've got a bit around there, but there's not that substantial amount. There's no dog hair in there, what I can see whatsoever, so it's picking up all the dog hair, and there's no dog hair in there, so most of the dog hair gets picked up. So it's literally human hair, and obviously your fibres, or any bits of string or cotton, they're on the actual carpet. So reset that. So what we'll do is we'll just weigh it. Okay, some grams, and we've got 0.24 grams, 0.25, might be me moving. So we'll say 0.25 grams of hair that was wrapped around the oblique brush roll, and we've got the bit of hair and the fibres, and that's 0.06 grams of hair and fibres wrapped around the pet brush roll. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick review. So as you can see from that video, the pet brush roll doesn't entangle as much as the oblique brush roll, and I'll just give you my recommendations. If you're worried about hair getting wrapped around the brush roll, my advice is get a pet brush roller. At the end of the day, if you're not going to clean it regularly, then you're going to get that amount of hair, especially if you've got people like me with long hair, or if you've got a dog. I couldn't see any dog hair, so the pet brush roll and the oblique brush roll do pick up the dog hair. Like I said, you literally have to go over it twice to pick up the odd hair that it actually leaves behind, obviously because there's less bristles on that pet brush roll. But you can see from using that pet brush roll that there's less hair wrapped around there over a 7-day period, so it's not going to entangle as much as the oblique brush roll. So I will put an iCard above linking to the video that I did 4 ways to keep your Kirby running more efficiently. Fantastic video. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you do at the end of this video, and it will give you information on how to maintain your Kirby and keep it running as new as long as possible. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, and the oblique brush roll and the pet brush roll will be linked down there, so make sure you check those out. If those are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. I will put an iCard above. I will put an iCard above. And I will put an iCard above linking to the video on how to keep your pet brush roll I will put an card above, linking to the video that I did, the 4 ways to keep. As always, I'll pin it to the video. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, up. Like I said, you literally have to go over it twice if you've got the pet oblique. If you've got the, and it will give you more information on how to maintain your Kirby and keep it for the best. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Webby products, and the oblique brush roll and the pet brush roll will be down there, so make sure you check those out.